Hey there, and welcome back to Tech Beginnings. Today, we're diving into a crucial part of keeping your Windows 10 system running smooth, and that is Windows Updates. We'll cover how to check for updates, install them, and manage your update settings. Let's dive right in. A lot of people forget to run and install Windows Updates, or they just don't want to deal with them. But why are they important? Well, Windows Updates help keep your system secure, they fix bugs, and introduce new features. Sometimes Windows will release updates that fix one thing, but might break something else. But for the most part, regular updates ensure your computer runs efficiently and stays protected from security threats. Think of it like giving your computer a regular health checkup, except you don't have to awkwardly sit in a waiting room. Here's how you can manually check for Windows Updates. Click the Start button in the lower left-hand corner of the screen and select Settings or the gear icon. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security. Under the Windows Update section, click Check for Updates. If updates are found, click Download and Install. Your system will handle the rest. Feel free to continue doing whatever you were doing, as Windows Updates will download and install in the background. Once everything is done, you will need to restart for them to be fully installed. It's that simple. Just a few clicks and your system stays up to date. Windows 10 gives you control over how and when updates are installed. Here's what you can do. Prevent updates from interrupting your work by setting active hours. This is handy if you are in the middle of a project that has a deadline, or if you're just binge watching a series. If you need a break from updates, you can pause them for a certain amount of days. It's like hitting the snooze button, but for your PC. You can also adjust how updates are delivered, including whether to download updates over meter connections and other options as well in the advanced options. With these settings, you can make sure updates happen on your terms. Sometimes an update might cause issues. If that happens, you can uninstall a recent update. Click on View Update History, select Uninstall Updates, and choose the update you want to remove. Windows also creates restore points before major updates, so you can roll back if needed. It's like having an undo button for your system. Sometimes I wish life had one of those. And that's everything you need to know about Windows Updates and Windows 10. Keeping your system updated is essential for security and performance. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.